Do I need a professional to reset my air conditioning unit?
Hello, it's fantastic to have you here. Today we're tackling a question that many homeowners have asked: do I need a professional to reset my air conditioning unit? This is an important consideration as hiring a professional can be costly, but doing it wrong might lead to even costlier repairs.
What does resetting an air conditioning unit involve?
Resetting an air conditioning unit involves switching it off, waiting for a while, and then turning it back on. It's a basic troubleshooting step used to resolve minor issues such as the AC not cooling properly or the unit not responding.
Can you reset your AC unit yourself?
The answer is yes, you can. Resetting your AC unit is a simple process that doesn't usually require a professional. Here's a brief step-by-step guide on how to do it. 1. Turn off your AC using the switch or button on the unit or the remote. 2. Wait for about 30 minutes. This time allows the internal circuitry to cool down and reset. 3. Turn your AC back on. Check to see if it's working properly now. Remember to read your AC unit's manual before attempting a reset, as different models may have specific instructions or warnings.
When should you hire a professional?
While resetting an AC unit is simple, not all problems can be solved by a reset. If your unit continues to malfunction after a reset or if it frequently requires resets, it's time to call a professional. More complex issues like refrigerant leaks, compressor problems, or electrical faults should be left to a professional to avoid damaging the unit or risking your safety. In conclusion, while you can definitely reset your air conditioning unit by yourself, remember that this isn't a cure-all solution. If your unit keeps having issues despite resetting it, or if you're dealing with more complex problems, don't hesitate to call a professional. We hope this guide has been helpful in answering your question and that your AC unit will be back to keeping you cool very soon.